Springtime is the perfect time to go foraging, and I'm gonna take my mom with me out to the backyard and see what we can find, and I'd like for you guys to come with us. I'm gonna head over to the garden first because surprisingly, when a deer came over and helped me forage, I was shocked at what I could find simply in my garden that I did not even plant. And so right here, if you notice, there is a lot of wood sorrel. This is called oxalis, scientific name. Wood sorrel is very nutritious. And I have heard that you can make a lemonade out of it, so maybe we'll try that today. You can also throw it in your salad.
Oh my goodness, I just threw a bunch of that away out of my garden. I didn't know it was any good.
Well, now you do. And so let's see what else we can find. That's kale.
That's kale.
This is henbit. And I could pick this. I could make some medicine out of it, some tinctures. I could also eat it, throw it in salads. You can also make a tea. I am going to leave this because the bees really like the flowers. And as I have a garden here, I want as many bees as I can get. So this is white clover, and you could just pick the buds or flowers, and you can eat it if you want. You can also pick them and make a tea out of them. You dehydrate them and boil them in water just like you would any tea. You can also eat these little leaves.
Really?
But what we're going to focus on today is the wood sorrel. So let's go pick it and bring it inside.
Okay.
Oh, the whole thing? Oh. Just let it shake it off. That's perfect.
It's better to
Yeah, you can leave the roots and then it will actually grow back.
redo it.
Okay, so I have this great app. You can take a picture of any plant and it just happens to know exactly what it is. It's amazing to me. And that's how I have found out what a lot of the things are. And it will also tell you what, if it's poisonous, if it has medicinal purposes. So we just found another one in the garden, and so I'm going to show it to you. My mom said, "What is that?" And I said, "I don't know, let's find out." So we took a picture of it. It has medicinal uses as well, so let me show you that.
Looks like a weed to me.
Yeah, me too, who would know? So this is called Speedwell, and I am learning about these one at a time because it can be very overwhelming. So I'm going to learn about this a little bit later, like I just learned about wood sorrel. So let's kind of dive deep on that one. But this one's coming next. And so I'm going to let that stay right there and we'll come back to that.
What is this little red berry here? It looks like a strawberry.
Well, let's take a picture of it and find out.
Cute.
So the mock strawberry is actually edible, and we're going to try it. So if this is a Hunger Game ending, I love you guys. Look how cute this is. This little bitty, it's little teeny tiny. So we're both gonna try one, and we'll see.
So lovely. Taste.
You know what?
It's got like seeds.
It's very interesting. Wow.
Chili.
It's interesting. It doesn't taste quite like a strawberry, but I don't think ours were completely grown.
No,
they were babies.
They were babies. Yep.
Okay, do you need help?
I think I can do it.
Okay. So we have our wood sorrel right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it and get it ready. I'm gonna throw some in the salad that we're eating tonight, and then the rest I'm gonna use to make what is called a lemonade. So let's talk about some of the health benefits of this herb that you might not know about. Protecting the liver. It has been shown to protect the liver from damage and even help to promote faster healing.
Wow.
Soothe digestive upset. Promote healing of small wounds. So you can actually make poultice and actually put it on the wound. It has phytochemical constituents, mainly flavonoids, tannins, phytosterols, phenols, fatty acids. Wow, this stuff is packed.
Loaded.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
The leaves seem to be responsible for the action of the herb. These antioxidant compounds have proven effective in protecting the liver from harmful substances. Cilantro is known to do that as well, but I can go pick this for free, apparently.
Right.
You do want to be careful with the amount that you intake. Use it in moderation. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get it rinsed, and then I will pull some out for our salad, and I'm going to go ahead and make our lemonade.
Sounds good.
Adding some water, getting ready to blend up my wood sorrel. Make some lemonade. This is a nut milk bag, and that's what I use to strain this. So all you're getting is the juice. Look how beautiful that is. Such a beautiful green color. Nice and raw. So I'm gonna throw some of that wood sorrel right up in there on that salad. Yum.
Before I got film.
Okay, so we are eating wood sorrel on our salad, which to me is very tasty. I mean, it's just like any other green, honestly. Not bad.
No,
Not bad at all. And now we are getting ready to try the drink. I'm a little scared. I have not done this, but it is an absolute beautiful color. I sweetened it with some raw agave. How are you feeling?
Well, I'm a little nervous about it, but I'm going to try
We're
it.
gonna try it, so cheers.
Cheers to you.
Not bad.
Not bad. It's very
Cheers to wood sorrel. Cheers.
Very surprising, actually.
So I want to thank you guys for watching. Hey, if you don't mind, tell me what you're doing. Have you been foraging? Is this new for you? My favorite part is that we are getting all of these top-notch medicinal herbs in our lives, and we are getting, well, this was free, right? So we're getting free supplements, basically.
Yeah.
I like it. The more I learn, the more excited I get about this, and I actually have fun looking for them and figuring out what's out there. What does life have to offer that I didn't know about?
I certainly didn't know you could go out in your yard and eat the grass.
That's right. New to you too.
Yeah.